We will guide you through how to change hijab color in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open the photo containing the hijab you want to recolor. Go to Image on the top menu to access Photoshop's image editing commands. Select Adjustments to reveal the color and tone controls. Click Replace Color to open the window used for sampling an existing color and changing its appearance. Select the eyedropper tool inside the Replace Color window. Click a clear area containing the hijab's main color. Use the Add to Sample eyedropper to click other shades of the hijab, including lighter folds, darker creases, and shadowed sections, so they are included in the same selection. Adjust the fuzziness slider gradually until most of the hijab appears in the selection preview, taking care not to include skin or unrelated parts of the photograph. Move the hue slider slowly to change the hijab's color, watching the preview until you find a shade that suits the image and lighting. Adjust the saturation slider to control the new color's intensity, increasing it for a richer result or lowering it for a softer and more muted appearance. Adjust the lightness slider if needed to make the replacement brighter or darker, using small changes so the fabric does not become flat or lose detail. When the preview looks correct, click OK to apply the new hijab color and close the Replace Color window. Inspect the edited area and confirm that the folds, shadows, highlights, texture, and edges still look natural, with no unwanted color spreading onto the face or background. When the final result looks clean and realistic, save the editable project as a PSD file, or export the image in your preferred format for sharing, printing, or other intended use.